Audio Jungle.
This is High-Tech News TV News. Chennai Rela Hospital, a globally renowned leader in liver transplant surgery, has achieved a historic milestone by becoming the first hospital in the world to perform a robotic liver transplant on a 5-year-old child. This makes the child the youngest recipient of the robotic liver transplant globally, marking a major advancement in both pediatric and robotic surgery. In his comments, Professor Mohammad Rela, Chairman Rela Hospital, said, "This is the first time in the world pediatric liver transplantation has been successfully performed completely using the robotic platform. This is the major milestone in the field of surgery itself. This is an extremely complex surgery with delicate microvascular techniques." After that, Dr. Rajesh Rajalingam, clinical lead HBB surgery and senior consultant HBB surgery and liver transplantation, Rela Hospital, commented that robotic surgery offers precision and safety in addition to minimizing pain and hospital stay, and in our center more than 400 live donors enjoyed the technological advancement. Moving forward, performing a complex surgery like liver transplantation robotically is major breakthrough in the field of minimally invasive surgery. After that, in his remarks, Dr. Naresh Shanmugam, Director Women and Child Health and Senior Consultant Pediatric and Hepatology, Rela Hospital, said, despite strict protein restriction and meditation, the child experienced frequent severe episodes requiring hospitalization. Liver transplantation became that only a treatment. By performing this highly complex axillary liver transplant robotically, we have significantly reduced the 14 to 21 days with open down to the just 7 days.